So here we are in Peterborough, day 3 of the trip. That's what the town looks like. Yeah, it's wet. Filling up for the day, so today's aim is to get these vehicles and ourselves to Coober Pedy, another 700k or so, and 7 or 8 hours in the saddle. But, you know, here we go again, and it should be fun. The last 2 days have been a blast for me. I can't get over the fact that we're actually doing this. And yeah, there's race cars at the other end as well, so yeah, let's get into it. See, like I said, a long way. That's our mission today, and drink coffee. Yeah, just for something different, here we are at Port Augusta RSL. Yeah, just a lazy tank hanging around, and here we are, having filled up with fuel again. Seems to be an occupational hazard. Got over the hills alright, and yeah, we'll hit the road.